In this video, I want to talk about all the mods that I have on my car so far. So let's start with the front. On the front, I have the Panamericana grille from Future Design. I wrapped the logo in carbon fiber. It was chrome, I didn't like it, so I made it carbon fiber. And then I also have this carbon fiber front splitter, also from Future Design. And then we have the Edition 1 stripe that runs along the top of the car and on the sides. And then I also wrapped the chrome on the door handles in carbon fiber because chrome sucks. Window tints, they just made the car look a lot better. I have the taillights smoked. I smoked them myself, and I also smoked out the reflectors. And then I have the carbon fiber rear vent flicks. These aren't from Future Design. I got them off of Chinese website. And then I also have this carbon fiber diffuser from Future Design. It looks really good. And the C43 style exhaust tips, also from Future Design. What do you guys think of the diffuser? Look good? If you guys want anything from Future Design, DM me on Instagram. It's at amgenetics_. And if you guys decide to get anything from them, I can give you guys 10% off. They sell Lamborghini products, they sell BMW products, and they sell Mercedes products. So on any of those, if you have a Lambo, hit me up on Instagram. If you have a Mercedes, hit me up. If you have a BMW, hit me up. Alright? The most expensive mod by far on this car it's the ECU tune that I have on the car, and that was around $2.5 grand from Rentec. I also have blow-off valves on the car. I think that was around $600. I'll put the price over here. I'll put the pricing for everything, actually. I didn't want to take the ECU out myself, so I took it to a shop, and then they took it out, and then they overnighted it to Rentec. Rentec worked their magic. They performed the tune on the ECU. They sent it back, and then the next day it was installed, ready to go. So with labor of taking the ECU out and putting it back in and adding the blow-off valves, and with like the pricing of the ECU itself and the pricing of the blow-off valves itself, it came to be around $4,500. Was that $4,500 worth it? I think so. The car just feels a lot better, the shifts are faster, and I asked Rentec to add some more pops to the car because the stock Werbels were okay. They weren't bad, but I wanted more, so I asked them to add some more pops to the car, and this is what it sounds like. I'm not sure if you guys could hear the blow-off valves, so take a listen. That whoosh sound that you hear, that's from the blow-off valves. Some people like it, some people don't like it, but I like it. So definitely a good addition for just a few $100s. If I'm not forgetting anything, that's a list of all the mods that I have on the car. Don't forget to like the video, comment on what you think the best mod on the car? The front splitter, the grill, the ECU tune? Let me know. Hit it in the comments. If you haven't already, like the video and subscribe.